just so you can see what this is supposed to look like finished. However, I did think it was realistic enough. The last video. So basically, just the shadows might not be exactly as they are on the picture, but some of it is. It's just not as exaggerated, and then it gets less shadowy around some of the shaded areas. So just make sure that you don't over detail and detail the eyes to where they're small enough, and then add the gleam where the gleam areas would be. But make sure you if you're gonna shade, it's usually squiggles, then a line in the squiggle that fades into the squiggles, just a regular line.